Welcome to the English Learning from Scratch series. In this lesson, we will explore the pronunciation differences between the K and G sounds. These two consonants are very similar, but there is one key difference that makes them sound completely different. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to hear and produce both sounds correctly. The K sound is voiceless, which means your vocal cords do not vibrate when you make this sound. The G sound is voiced, which means your vocal cords vibrate when you produce this sound. This voicing difference is the main distinction between these two consonants. Let's explore what this means and how to feel this difference. Here is a perfect example of how these sounds differ. The word cap uses the K sound and is spelled C-A-P with the phonetic symbol /K-A-E-P. The word gap uses the G sound and is spelled G-A-P with the phonetic symbol /G-A-E-P. Both words are identical except for the first sound. This is called a minimal pair, and it helps us hear the exact difference between two sounds. Both the K and G sounds are made in the same location in your mouth. They are both velar sounds, which means they are produced at the soft palate, which is the soft part at the back of your mouth, behind the hard palate. Since they are made in the same place, the only difference between them is the voicing. This is why distinguishing the voicing is so important. Here is a simple test you can do to feel the voicing difference. Put your fingers on your throat and say the K sound. You will notice that your vocal cords do not vibrate. Now put your fingers on your throat again and say the G sound. This time you will feel vibration in your throat. This vibration is the key indicator that a sound is voiced. Practice this test with both sounds to develop your awareness of voicing. Let's practice with more minimal pairs. We have cat and gat, key and G, cool and ghoul, and cap and gap. Say each pair slowly and notice how the only difference is the first sound. The vowel and the ending consonant stay exactly the same. This helps you focus on just the K and G sounds without being distracted by other sounds in the words. On the left, we have K words, cat, key, cool, and cap. On the right, we have G words, gat, G, ghoul, and gap. Practice saying each word multiple times. First, say all the K words and feel how your vocal cords do not vibrate. Then say all the G words and feel the vibration. Finally, alternate between the K and G versions of each pair to strengthen your ability to distinguish and produce both sounds correctly. Congratulations on completing this pronunciation lesson. Let's recap the key points. The K sound is voiceless, meaning no vocal cord vibration. The G sound is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate. Both sounds are made at the soft palate at the back of your mouth. To test which sound you are producing, touch your throat and feel for vibration. Practice with minimal pairs like cap and gap, cat and gat, and key and G. With consistent practice, you will master the difference between these two important English sounds.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.